Hello friends, my name is Kiran Joshi and I am the owner of the organization called as the Lens Photography. I have been conducting workshops all the while for last 6 to 7 years. I am also conducting the photography classes for those people who are really in love of photography or aspiring photographers, and there are also basically the photographers who want to take their photography to the next level. So going forward, I would like to make some short videos for those people who are really willing to learn photography, and I know there are the people who are basically taking good photographs and they are willing to take their photographs to the next level. So such people should not be deprived of such knowledge, and with this intention I am planning to start some videos which will help these aspiring photographers to take their photography to the next level. Of course, while I am saying this, I won't be starting with the too much technical details of the photography, but more of the aspects which will be covered of photography will be of the basic in nature, but certainly this will help all those aspiring photographers or the beginner photographers, where they can take their photography to the next level and certainly can capture the photographs at professional level. So stay tuned with me, and every week I will be releasing one video which will help these photographers to grow and develop their own skills. Thank you so much. So stay tuned.